Hi, very good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
So tell me about describe yourself in 3 words.
Three words. Oh, I think it's very less. But I must say that I'm very devoted, very disciplined, and very dedicated.
That's
So
great answer,
these
sir.
3 words, I think, it defines Saswat.
That's great, sir. When do you feel most loved and appreciated?
Every time, whenever I'm on stage, right? So I think from my childhood, one memory I remember the first ghungru I have received from my parents,
that's great.
and that was a moment I felt, oh, it's a very pampering moment for me, and whenever I see my daughter performing with me, and I feel like, oh my God, this is a moment I always want to be with and cherish
That's
always.
commendable, sir. As we know that you are one of the eminent personality of Odisha. So what keeps you so humble and grounded?
Odisha has a different Vatavaran environment, I think, and I feel always that Lord Jagannath is the key person. I think if you are spiritual, if you are devoted, if you are grounded, if you are completely surrender yourself towards Him, I think when He doesn't have the ego, anything, so whenever you go and thousand people, they are at the temple and they are watching Lord Jagannath. So he has that patience, to meet people, to greet people. So we are just devotee, right? So I think.
That's great, sir. As we know that you have achieved everything in your life,
No, no, no,
still,
not everything.
still you pushed yourself every day. What motivates you?
I think the most important thing in my life is I always feel success is not an achievement, it is a journey.
Okay,
I always feel that whatever success you get, it's not an achievement. Let's follow the journey, and the journey will continue, and you will keep on achieving something and something. So I believe in that.
That's great, sir. I would like to know that's your point of view that what makes ideal home for you.
Ideal home.
Yeah.
I think a perfect family, because भारतीय संस्कृति में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आई थिंक परिवार ही है, बिकॉज इफ यू हैव पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, एंड इफ यू हैव सन, डॉटर, भैया, भाभी, हम साथ साथ हैं काइंड ऑफ, राइट. सो मैं अगर देखूंगा तो हिंदी सिनेमा की 70 mm फ्रेम को ही देखूंगा, बिकॉज हमेशा हम लोग परिवार को बहुत प्राधान्य दिए हैं. सो आई थिंक फॉर मी फैमिली अगर अच्छा है तो घर अपने आप अच्छा ही बन जाएगा.
That's great, sir. घर का ऐसा कोना बताओ जो आपके दिल के करीब हो, मतलब आप मोस्टली अपना टाइम वहाँ पर स्पेंड करना चाहते हो.
When there is a mirror, I always be there. मिरर के सामने हमेशा रहता हूँ मैं. I think it's a self pampering or something, I don't know, but yes, because when I see mirror, I learn a lot. Because आपका खामियां आपको खुद दिख जाता है. So I think that's the most important thing. If you want to rectify yourself, I think you have to watch your mirror.
What's the best piece of advice you ever received from anyone?
Every time I receive advice, because I have always opened myself, because you have to be yourself as an open diary, right? Okay. So if you, and everybody can come and write something, and from there you can learn something, right? So for me it's always like that. Whomever I met in my life, I've learned something from them. अगर वो छोटा बच्चा भी है, कुछ भी बोलता है तो मैं बहुत ध्यान से सुनता हूँ, क्या बोल रहा है वो, right? And I have patience to listen everyone, and from them only I learn small detailed things, and I rectify myself.
That's a thing to learn. Any piece of advice would you like to give to the younger generation?
Yeah, मैं क्या advice दूंगा? I'm too small to give advice, but maybe I can give them a confidence that grow in life, but always be honest and be truthful, and respect every single individual, because अगर आप किसी को भी respect देते हैं, the same amount of love and respect you will get, and at the end peace and harmony is most important in life, because जिस तरह से हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी, I think love to other and create love, celebrate love is the most important in life. So let's create the harmony.
Thank you very much, sir, for your precious time, sir.
Yes.